Morning dear students, welcome back to my channel. Today we have to learn types of angle. There are 3 types of angles. Which are they? Let's see. First is right angle, second is acute angle, and third is obtuse angle. Look at this figure carefully. This is a picture of window and it contains a square shape. It means that we see a right angle between the two adjoining sides. These are the adjoining sides, adjoining sides, adjoining sides, adjoining side. It means that right angle contains a 90 degree and it is in the form of L shape. It is just for recalling and just for understanding for students. A right angle is always form a L shape. It means it is contain an angle of 90 degree. The degree of 90 is called as right angle. Let's see the another example of right angle. This is a book and here is also adjoining sides. The two adjacent sides of a book make a right angle. Here right angle, here right angle, containing a right angle. The third picture is clock. This is a picture of clock and we know that this is in a clock at 3 o'clock and in another clock at 9 o'clock. The minute hand and the hour hand are at right angles to each other. Right angles to each other. And in this clock, the minute hand and hour hand make a right angle to each other. Okay. Now let's see the students. Now we see the we have to see we take another activity of scissor. Okay. And our second angle is acute angle and the third angle is obtuse angle. Here we have to see an activity of scissor. Let's see. In a picture alongside there is a right angle between the two blades of the scissor. Let's see. Students, this is a scissor. This is a two blades of scissor. Okay. First blade and second blade. There is a right angle between the two blades. If I rotate this and make a straight angle, it is in the form of L shape, contain a 90 degree, is called as right angle. In another activity of scissor, the two blades, if I decreases a two blade, if I reduce a distance between the tips of blades little by little, it means that it is made a acute angle. Now I explain about acute angle. Acute angle is always less than 90 degree. Look at this. This is 90 degree and now this is a 90 degree and now I reduce it. I reduce the distance between the two tips of little by little the angle between the blades grows smaller than right angle, and an angle which is smaller than right angle is called as acute angle. It means that the angle is less than 90 degree, that is 30 degree, 60 degree, but it is under 90 degree. Okay, that is less than 90 degree. Now we have to see our third angle is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. The obtuse angle. But look at these two blades. But we increase the distance between. We see this is the acute angle. But but as we increase the distance between the tips of blades, the angle between the blades grows bigger than right angle. It means that it is a obtuse angle. It is a obtuse angle. The angle that bigger than right angle is called as obtuse angle. In a clock we see this is a right angle. The hour hand and minute hand make a angle of 90 degree. It means that this is a right angle. And this is also, this is making a, it is in the form of which shape? Acute angle, less than 90 degree. And this is in the third clock, it is increased than 90 degree. Greater than 90 degree. It means that it is a obtuse angle. An angle bigger than right angle is called as obtuse angle. In this type of way, today we are completed this topic, the types of angle. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.